So apparently, asking a man not to expect their wife to cook like their mother had made the internet go very angry. Hello, this is Mary Bhatti over here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is actually my very first video in my new house. Right over here, exact on this spot yesterday, I found out that one of my video hit 1.5 million views. And just like any other creator, I do not want to miss this opportunity. So let's go through all the feisty comments. I don't know. I don't know how to react to this comment. Let's go through some more comments. This is gonna be fun. I have picked some random comments. There is no order, so let's just go through them. The first one is another good example of why you should stay single. Never put up with female drama. Female drama? Really? Well, it's a strong start. Female drama or emotional intelligence. Let's be honest. I know that sometimes it's easier to avoid dating and just staying single rather than decoding. But then again, it's about learning. That's where the growth is. You can't be just a quitter all the time. My mother was a terrible cook. Her husband also left her. I don't know how to react to this comment. Should I be disappointed? Should I be sad? And how proudly you're saying this? When did cooking skill become a parameter for marriage stability? Congratulations on being single forever. It felt like a mini heart attack. आधे से ज्यादा लड़कियां वैसे भी डिसाइड कर चुकी हैं कि हम सिंगल ही रहने वाले. क्यों? क्योंकि तुम लोग की हरकतें इस तरह की हैं. Just one tiny opinion is enough for you to leave your goal. Having one tiny opinion would make me spend rest of my life alone, not with someone. Happy to do that. Aww. इतने सारे fiery comments में एक बहुत cute comment है, and I cannot leave that behind. Thank God my wife don't cook like my mom. My wife food next level good. इनकी wife का खाना next level है. Well, this is actually cute. I love seeing a man cheering out loud for their woman. There are actually some men who actually make fun of their woman's cooking. Why would you expect your lady to cook like your mom? You can enjoy her cooking her way. I mean, it's a win-win for you. You're getting two different tastes, both delicious, two different form of love from two different women. ये कमेंट मेरी नजरों से गुजरा है और इस कमेंट पे जो है थोड़ी डिबेट भी हो रही है. So let's go through the debate comments as well. Why the dishwasher complaining that she can't cook?
What did he say?
I am the dishwasher. Useless software install. हाँ, ये किसी लड़के ने दिया है. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. She thinks she's onto something clever. These boss babes are playing themselves constantly. You think I am a boss? I like it. I like it. I knew someone would drop a comment like this. Why would anyone marry her? Exactly. Why would you marry her? She doesn't know how to cook. No cooking skills is equals to no marriage. Never mind the ability she carries to resolve a conflict. Never mind how she's gonna raise your kids. Never mind how she's gonna respect you in front of your family, in front of your friends, in front of her family, in front of her friends. Never mind how she's gonna bring the appreciation into your life when you'll be having a hard day. Never mind how responsible she is with money. The only thing you should mind is whether she knows how to cook. This is actually fun. Now I know why most of the creators do it. I had a great time. So these were the comments from the chaos in the comment section. Do you guys want me to read more fiery comments? Do drop a comment below and I will give my take on it. Also, before leaving, I really want to ask, what do you guys think? Do you guys really believe that cooking skill is a major expectation in a relationship? I don't think so. But yeah, till then, bye bye, take care. Love, love.